Hello, mentors. Welcome to meeting one, part one. So that's part C, that's Tlayudas. And let's take a look at the best possible solutions for this puzzle. So in another video, we explained the clues and what was the problem about. So let's just focus on finding the solution. What we'll first do is focus really on the biggest three clues in terms of weight. So 10, 7, and 13. So if we nail these three clues, then we'll get 30 points, 30 people happy, and that's a great advantage. So it's a great starting point. Let's take a look. Which of these gives us more information right away? Probably number 5, because it says put frijoles and quesillo. So let's just go ahead and do that. So that takes care of number 5. Number 3 says that if we put frijoles or repollo, then we also need to put salsa. We already have frijoles, so let's just put repollo. Sorry, salsa. Repollo, we don't know yet. We'll see. So the conclusion, salsa. And now jitomates, chorizo, or salsa, but not all three. Okay, so we already have salsa. So we may want to put jitomates or chorizo, probably. But maybe, yeah, but not both. Let's try to see what happens if we put either one of them. So what's best, to put jitomates or chorizo? And reading out the other clues, okay, number 6 says don't put chorizo, but only if you put tasajo, so we still don't know. But actually number 1 says that frijoles and jitomates either put both or else put none. So let's try to follow that clue. Gives us 5 points. Let's select it. I mean, it's not as heavy, but still 5 is good. And let's put jitomates. And now we have jitomates and salsa, so we cannot put chorizo. So we just forbid chorizo, and we can label it in several different ways. Okay, so that's good. This clue is also good, has 5 friends, so why don't we try to do it? It says if you put tasajo, then don't put chorizo. Well, we're not putting chorizo at all, so whether we put tasajo or not, this conditional is true. We cannot violate it because we just don't put chorizo regardless. So right now we have a lot of points, right? We have 40 points. Can we get better? Can we get closer to 50 or even 50? Well, turns out we already have 4 ingredients. So we can have to give up to number 7. It's okay, it's just 4 friends, so it's not the worst. And then it's about 2 and 4, if we can fulfill them or not. Let's see, number 4 says, 4 friends said, I don't like Tlayudas that have repollo and salsa. We already have salsa, so let's just not put repollo. Okay, and then we would have, so this clue, it's also valid right now for our Tlayudas. And then pollo or tasajo, but not both. So this also gives us some points. So let's just represent it like this. Say we put either pollo or tasajo, but not both. So we can do it in the video like this, and during your meeting you can do it in a similar way where you indicate that you have 2 solutions of Tlayudas. They all share the same first 4 ingredients, frijol, quesillo, salsa, and jitomate. And they have to have a 5th ingredient, which is either pollo or tasajo. Not both, right? Just one of them. This gives us 50 points, except for number 7. So 50 minus 4, which is 46 points. So that's pretty good. And you can think about why you cannot get past this. It's good. you can, for example, try to do it satisfying all clues except number 2, and you'll see that it's impossible. That once you satisfy a lot of clues, then number 7, it's just impossible. It's too restrictive, having 3 ingredients or less. So that solves the problem. There's also closer solutions with score of 44, 43 that you can try out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.